Are you looking for the best mini PC? In this video, we will look at some of the best mini PC on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Beelink Mini S PC. The Beelink Mini S is a compact yet powerful mini PC with a sleek design and robust performance. It provides a variety of configurations to accommodate diverse needs and financial plans. The N5095 8G128G model is the most budget-friendly choice. It's powered by an Intel N5095 processor, complemented by 8 GB of RAM and a 128 GB SSD. This configuration is perfect for everyday tasks, such as surfing the web, creating documents, and streaming content. You can upgrade to the N5095 16G 512G model, which offers enhanced performance and storage. It comes with an Intel N5095 processor, 16 GB of RAM, and a 512 GB SSD. This setup is capable of handling more intensive tasks, including light multimedia editing and multitasking. The N116G 500G model is the top-tier option. It's equipped with an Intel N100 processor. This configuration is designed for users who need a powerful Chinese mini PC to handle tasks such as multimedia editing, light gaming, and heavy multitasking. Number 2. XCY Mini PC. The XCY Fanless Mini PC is a compact yet potent device that offers a variety of configurations to match different needs and budgets. Its fanless design guarantees noiseless operation, making it perfect for serene environments. The Intel Core i3-4005U 8GB RAM 512G SSD Wi-Fi model offers a balance between performance and cost. It's powered by an Intel Core i3-4005U processor, 8 GB of RAM, and a 512 GB SSD for storage. This setup can smoothly handle most tasks, from web browsing to light multimedia editing. The most budget-friendly configuration is the Intel Celeron 2955U, priced at $126.91. Despite its lower cost, this configuration still delivers decent performance for daily tasks, thanks to its Intel Celeron 2955U processor. For those seeking more power, the Intel Core i7-4500U model, priced at $224.93, is an excellent choice. It's powered by an Intel Core i7-4500U processor, 8 GB of RAM, and a 512 GB SSD. This setup is ideal for more demanding tasks, such as multimedia editing and light gaming. Number 3. Eglobal D4 Mini PC. The Eglobal Fanless Mini PC is another top-notch choice for those seeking a compact and noiseless computing solution. This device offers a variety of configurations to match different needs and budgets. Priced at $581.17, the i5-7260U32GD4 1TB SSD Wi-Fi model is a solid choice for those seeking a high-performance Chinese mini PC. It's powered by an Intel Core i5-7260U processor, a massive 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, and a 1 TB SSD. This setup is suitable for heavy multitasking and demanding tasks, such as multimedia editing and gaming. The i7-10510U32GD4 1TB SSD Wi-Fi model, priced at $758.56, is the most powerful and expensive option. It's equipped with an Intel Core i7-10510U processor. This configuration can effortlessly handle even the most demanding tasks, making it an ideal choice for power users.